Here in Zhuhai, the city where technology meets everyday life, KLT rises from this coastal hub and steps onto the world stage. From this modern headquarters, KLT connects the beauty of life to users across the globe. Committed to quality and innovation, we create smart and elegant living. KLT, unwavering as always. For 28 steady years, every step we have taken has been firm and solid. From 1998 to 2026, persistence has driven KLT's continuous growth. With low-voltage motor technology at our core, we continue to deepen our expertise in Western-style kitchen appliances. Our automated production systems make stability and efficiency part of our daily routine. From electric wine openers and electric pepper grinders to milk frothers and coffee tools, KLT has become a key global driver in the small kitchen appliance industry. Every product's success is never a matter of luck, but the result of a strong R&D team and sustained investment. KLT has a professional R&D team of over 30 engineers, with more than 8% of annual revenue continuously invested in research and development. Over 50 new projects incubated every year, and our total number of patents has surpassed 650. KLT's products have earned recognition from the world's 3 major industrial design awards, including the IDEA Award in the United States, the IF Design Award, and Red Dot Award in Germany, as well as many domestic landmark honors, such as the Guangdong Governor's Cup. Rigorous design and continuous innovation are our enduring pursuit. Within our 60,000 square meter modern production base, smart equipment, automated production lines, and unmanned dark factories form an integrated, intelligent manufacturing system that ensures reliable quality and stable delivery. We operate 60 automated injection molding machines, full electronic automation lines, and a team of over 1,000 skilled frontline workers. From tooling and assembly to testing and packaging, every step is strictly controlled to ensure every product is perfectly presented to our users. Quality is the lifeline of KLT. We conduct multiple quality tests: charging, aging, current, rows, load, functionality, layer by layer, ensuring reliability. Meanwhile, our digital O&M system enables full process visualization and management. From production to packaging, we pursue perfection in every step. KLT products have passed multiple international certifications, demonstrating world-class quality capability. Advanced testing equipment ensures that every performance standard meets global requirements. An efficient warehousing system guarantees fast and reliable delivery worldwide. Our professional sales centers bring KLT's products and services to customers around the globe. From Zhuhai to the world, KLT's products continue their journey to 69 countries and regions. Multiple flagship categories have ranked top 1 in global market share. KLT is a company built on philosophy. Guided by Kazuo Inamori's management philosophy, we uphold the principles of safety, quality, delivery, and efficiency, fostering long-term trust among our teams, customers, and partners. With passion and dedication, every KLT member fulfills our corporate mission to pursue the material and spiritual well-being of all employees while creating intelligent and beautiful appliances that elevate quality of life and contribute to societal progress. Creating unprecedented life experiences for users is KLT's original aspiration and our future. 28 years of staying true to our mission. 28 years of determined progress. KLT will continue to devote its full strength to every trust placed in us.